Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The SMAW Circle S1. SMAW Circle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at SMAW Circle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes, traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that are too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The SMAW Circle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the SMAW Circle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
SMAW Circle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The SMAW Circle S1, the most portable and lightweight e-bike available today.
Something simple. Something beautiful. Something light. Something to challenge you to hold higher standards every day. Don't settle. Go. Ride. Create new paths every day. Whatever you want to do it now. Live life to the limit. There are only so many.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet Norika. Norika is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is Norika, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride Norika as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. Norika makes every journey an exciting experience. Norika is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. Norika is not a downhill bike. but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing Norika Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the Norika app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the Norika to you. Thanks for watching.
Norika, the future is here. Let's ride along.
I'm Derek Herman from Bear Valley Bikes and Speed Evolution. I had the opportunity today to ride the Stream bike. It's a pedal assist as well as throttle controlled bike. We practiced it with a whole bunch of different kinds of terrain and conditions. It was amazing. We actually, with the pedal assist, were able to ride it on the beach no problem. It has a little bit of a fatter tire, so it's better in more different conditions. It also has a Bluetooth feature that locks the battery as well as a manual locking system on the battery. And we really enjoyed the bike. I highly recommend that you go out and check one out.
Hi, I'm Alyssa Ringo, and I'm a pro mountain biker here in Southern California. And the Stream bike is a very versatile e-bike. I ride it in the mountains, on the trails over here in SoCal, also along the coast. It's very versatile. I can move easily in and out of people and crowds along the ocean.
We really had a good time riding up all these steep hills and riding off-road in the dirt. Really love the way it folds in half, and I can fit it in a real small place, take it on any trip I want to go on. And with this amazing bike, being able to keep riding it further than I would on my regular bike.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate. Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.